And with fun. Now tell me story. So, oh no, it's raining. So next one said, don't worry, I have an umbrella. He said, mother is worried about that it's raining. He said, no, I have an umbrella. So mother said, give to me. What the mother said? So what happened? He said, don't worry, I have an umbrella. So mother said, okay, give to me please. So mother worry about the child. What about you? If you give me umbrella, so what you do? So the baby said, I have a raincoat. What the baby said? I have a raincoat. So mother said, thank you, you give me umbrella. Are you ready for enjoy each and every weather? So okay. So suddenly what happened? Look at the rainbow. This is rainbow. So baby said, wow, what a beautiful rainbow. You like rainbow?
Yes.
The 7-color rainbow, very beautiful after the rain that's come. Okay, then again sun come and say, hey rainbow, go, it's my time. Okay, so baby say, brother, can you help me? Can you explain me weather? What is weather or how the weather change? The baby is so small, so she explained very slowly. Hey rainbow, go, it's my time. Again sun say, and rainbow can go. Okay, so wow, what a sunny weather, but no rain. At that time there is no rain, and yes, it is a cloudy weather. So yes, it is a cloudy weather, or at that time no rain. So sometimes you feel hot. It is very hot. Yes, weather change, but ready for enjoy. Okay. Weather is changed continuously after some time, okay, after some days and after some time, so enjoy it. It's hot, yes, it is a sunny weather. When the sun is come, this is known as the sunny weather, okay, and at that time this is hot. Okay, so suddenly the wind come, it's like windy. Okay, it's time to go to home, because after wind a strong wind flow, then it is known as the storm. Okay, and also a thundering sound. I hear a sound of thundering, the baby said. Yes, with the sound of thundering, lighting and all the things, at that time what you do, you go to the safe place. Okay, so mother say, okay, it's time to go to safe place, and suddenly what happened? It is a cyclone. Oh no. So brother say, it is not dangerous as cyclone. It is storm wind, but wind is not dangerous as a cyclone. Cyclones is more dangerous. साइक्लोन उड़ा के ले जाता है, इसलिए किसी कोई चीज आएगा कि सामने तो उसका फ्लो इतना ज्यादा होता है विंड का कि सब उड़ा देता है. Now it's time to go to home. Stormy weather is not good for us. So they go to the home, near the home, and they say, we are safe, let's play. So we all both say, hooray, now we are in safe place. No cyclone, no storm. Like, subscribe.